There are 4 ways to access and interact with Google Cloud: the Cloud Console, the Cloud SDK and Cloud Shell, the APIs, and the Cloud Console mobile app. Let's explore each of these now. First is the Google Cloud Console, which is Google Cloud's graphical user interface, or GUI, that helps you deploy, scale, and diagnose production issues in a simple web-based interface. With the Cloud Console, you can easily find your resources, check their health, have full management control over them, and set budgets to control how much you spend on them. The Cloud Console also provides a search facility to quickly find resources and connect to instances via SSH in the browser. Second is through the Cloud SDK and Cloud Shell. The Cloud SDK is a set of tools that you can use to manage resources and applications hosted on Google Cloud. These include the G-Cloud tool, which provides the main command line interface for Google Cloud products and services, GSUtil, which lets you access cloud storage from the command line, and BQ, a command line tool for BigQuery. When installed, all of the tools within the Cloud SDK are located under the bin directory. Cloud Shell provides command line access to cloud resources directly from a browser. Cloud Shell is a Debian-based virtual machine with a persistent 5 GB home directory, which makes it easy to manage Google Cloud projects and resources. With Cloud Shell, the Cloud SDK G-Cloud command and other utilities are always installed, available, up-to-date, and fully authenticated. The third way to access Google Cloud is through application programming interfaces, or APIs. The services that make up Google Cloud offer APIs so that code you write can control them. The Cloud Console includes a tool called the Google APIs Explorer that shows which APIs are available and in which versions. You can try these APIs interactively, even those that require user authentication. So suppose you've explored an API and you're ready to build an application that uses it. Do you have to start coding from scratch? No. Google provides Cloud Client libraries and Google API Client libraries in many popular languages to take a lot of the drudgery out of the task of calling Google Cloud from your code. Languages currently represented in these libraries are Java, Python, PHP, C#, Go, Node.js, Ruby, and C++. And finally, the fourth way to access and interact with Google Cloud is with the Cloud Console mobile app, which can be used to start, stop, and use SSH to connect to Compute Engine instances and see logs from each instance. It also lets you stop and start Cloud SQL instances. Additionally, you can administer applications deployed on App Engine by viewing errors, rolling back deployments, and changing traffic splitting. The Cloud Console mobile app provides up-to-date billing information for your projects and billing alerts for projects that are going over budget. You can set up customizable graphs showing key metrics, such as CPU usage, network usage, requests per second, and server errors. The mobile app also offers alerts and incident management. You can download the Cloud Console mobile app at cloud.google.com/console-app.